Hey everyone, and welcome back to Senior Care Technology Talks. I'm Brad Mitchell with CareWorx, and today we're going to be talking about devices, specifically focusing on the difference between a medical grade device versus a consumer grade device. So, if you're planning to make any technology changes at your facility, or you're just not quite sure of the difference between medical grade versus consumer grade, then stay tuned. We made this video specifically with you in mind. As more senior care facilities encourage mobility for their teams, they're faced with purchasing decisions and therefore more questions around devices. Questions like, do you buy a device for one single purpose, or is multi-purposing the device the better option? What are the associated costs involved? Is it better to go with one single standing kiosk, or is handheld mobile devices the better option? There are many things to consider, and the answers to these questions will largely depend on each unique needs of the facility, as well as how they want their team to operate. But there is one common question that we get quite frequently that we do have a definitive answer for. And that question is, can I go to my local electronics store and pick up a laptop or tablet from there? The answer to this question is go medical grade all the way. So why is this our recommendation? Well, with over 14 years dedicated to the senior care industry, we understand your environment. We've gathered feedback from our clients for years and are well acquainted with the challenges that you face day in and day out. And quite frankly, off-the-shelf consumer grade products just don't cut it anymore. So what do we mean by medical grade? Well, in the case of kiosks as well as point of care, it's making sure that you have a device that's specifically designed for the industry and able to handle the daily usage it's going to see in a senior care facility. In the case of tablets, it's just making sure that they're as rugged as possible. So here are a couple key considerations to consider when choosing which technology to use at your facility. First off, antimicrobial. This is an absolute necessity in the healthcare industry, especially when you're trying to avoid cross-contamination and cut down on infection rates. Off-the-shelf consumer-grade products just simply do not have this feature. Durability. Consumer-grade products are simply made for the masses and don't take into consideration the amount of abuse that a device is going to see in something like a senior care facility setting. We've gotten a lot of feedback from our customers over the years and worked with our manufacturers to build out a device that's suitable for the industry and able to handle all the abuse that it's going to see in the senior care setting. EHR and privacy. Devices aimed specifically at the senior care market tend to always have this feature included. And what it does is allows a privacy filter over the screen, so that way any unwanted eyes can't view the screen and keeps all the data secure only to the user that's looking at the device. And finally, specialized design. There are devices out there that are specifically built for the senior care industry and can handle and meet the needs of each unique facility. On top of that, their longevity is much greater as well. So there are a lot of things to consider when choosing which device to purchase for your facility. If you have any questions, CareWorx is here to help. Simply pick up the phone and give us a call, or you can check out our blog here on CareWorx.com. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all future installments on this series. I'm Brad Mitchell with CareWorx, and thanks for watching.